Hello guys, this is Neal. So we're going and this going to play. There's a dance. I can do a dance. A back dance because I'm going to play the dance. I have to do something that I get to be able to learn airplanes. So I got this as a person like dance. Should need to activate. Okay. Alright, so that's the same. Alright. And then should be all good. So now I zoom and open out the side. Everything's cooking. Alright. Everything's so I can do like I'm trying to get some getting some then I go to as I kind of schedule and then I work with things, so that's getting to a weekend, so I think it's getting strange. It's just kind of shooting fight. It's shooting fight and get the time zone. So that's going like it was. Yeah, that's connected again to U-Tanks. So U-Tanks and scanners like zones. Okay, that makes sense. So I got captions. Because of the card types, and you can get things extra events. So you're going to select things from events that the text, so you can do that, and this is it. And I can try that text. It does think it ain't good. Okay, so but anyway, I think that's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, please don't bother to don't accept to check that link. Click. I think that the clicks to the subscribe again. Again, it's a doesn't reflect on anything that could be like against what I can't think like talking, but I guess that's all could rank. But anyway, I hope you guys think it's doing. Bye bye.